The Gregory River Water Treatment Plant is a project that Council is delivering using contractor Sterlot Constructions. We started construction in November 2019 and so far we've had about 6,500 man hours on site, and we're currently progressing the concrete structural works, and we've done earthworks and some pipe works today. Future works will involve the fit out of structures, more tank construction and other elements to finish off the facility. In relation to the existing treatment plant here at Gregory River, it will remain operational during the works, so water supply will be maintained for our Childers and Woodgate residents.